to another video. Hey, hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name is Avrel and this is Home with the Naturalista. The video today is actually going to be my pantry organization. Guys, we've been in this house for a whole year and this is something I've been dreading. Every other day I say I'm gonna do it and I don't. Today's the day. So behind me is the pantry. I'm gonna go ahead and give a close-up video of what it looks like. It's kind of hard for me to talk to you guys and record because of the placement of this pantry. Technically it's not a pantry, it's really a closet, but I think the previous owners just made it into that and I'm quite okay with that. The wall right here is not giving me enough space so I can place you guys there. So this is probably gonna have to turn into a talk over voiceover kind of video, but for the most part I just wanted to go ahead and do a quick intro. Thank you guys so much for visiting my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please go ahead and subscribe. Please go ahead and like and go ahead and comment if you have any questions. Majority, I think all of the items I have for storage is from Container Store. I will go ahead and link them in the description box, but if you have any questions, please feel free to go ahead and ask. Please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe, y'all. Please don't forget to subscribe. I wonder if I have to ask in patois. You can't subscribe, please? May I beg you, please? Can you please subscribe? Because me need some subscribers, you know. Me need family, you know. Me need some YouTube family, you know. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, or the red button right over there, so right here, so. And you see the bell right next to the subscribe button, press that to, you know. So anytime new video is posted, you'll be one of the first to know. But yeah, all of my Jamaican them stand up. All of my West Indian them stand up. And click on that subscribe button, please. But all jokes aside, I'm gonna go ahead and start this video. Thank you guys so much. Let's get into it. All right, y'all, so the first thing I'm gonna do is obviously take everything out, and then I will go ahead and place the bins where I want it, and then we'll figure out what will go in the bins and so on and so forth. So let's take everything out, and it's a lot, so help me. Hey, so I do not think there's anything in the pantry that's expired, but as I'm taking everything out, I'll be sure to look at the expiration dates and things of that sort to know what's to toss and what's to keep, as well as trying to put somewhat organizing on the floor, or I'll probably just throw everything out. I don't know, but I definitely will be paying attention to the dates of what I'm taking out to figure out what to toss. Okay.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. And staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat.
So I have all these Chef Boyardee cans, and I don't think we eat them. I don't. This says February 25th, 2021. I don't know. What should I do? Probably just donate them, actually. Yeah, but all this stuff in the pantry, like for what?
So bump all that anxiety, but you hit to the side of me. I feel like I'm gliding, and honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me, that you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me.
All right, y'all, so I have removed everything out of the pantry. And here, that's garbage. Those were empty, but here's everything that was in there. It really doesn't look a lot when it's on the floor, but this is it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start cleaning off the shelves.
When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes I can fall back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I'm still getting.
So what I was thinking is if I should put like my air fryer and my juicer and stuff on the top shelf because it's short. It's like shorter in length. But I feel as though I might need it for groceries because right now I have it on top of the refrigerator and I kind of hate that. But I think it's gonna have to stay there because more than likely I'm gonna need the space. So if I'm gonna start with the 3 lower shelves, and then if I don't need to use the top one, then I'll put the air fryer and the juicer and the rice cooker up there. Even my slow cooker. So I feel good. I'm a little stressed, but I feel good. So you may hear some construction kind of thing, but babe and our friend is downstairs working on the basement, so excuse that, but you may not hear it though. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep going. So to start off, I'm actually gonna place everything in there to kind of have an idea of where I want it. Putting the food in into the containers is not the hard part. It's actually trying to figure out to make everything look good. So I'm gonna do that first and take the containers from the kitchen and bring it into the pantry.
When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
Majority of the time, babe and I will need the stuff up here. So because I need to make it reachable for the kids. So I will keep the air fryer, and I'll find somewhere to put the air fryer and stuff. But for the most part, this is where I wish we could probably can add another shelf up there. But yeah, because the ceiling does go up there. So we can probably add another shelf. But for the most part, so I have, the good thing is 4 of these fit on one shelf. The cereal is there, which I probably still keep in the kitchen just to have more space, but we'll see.
When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring.
All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna actually take the containers right here, put it here, and just switch over here instead of going back and forth to the kitchen because it's just too much. So we're gonna take the cereals. Everything is washed and prepped.
Yeah. I was finna write a song, but I've been hella stressed. But I looked in your eyes and noticed I'm hella blessed. Staring at you on this airplane, I ain't worried about nothing, cause you got me feeling like the Wayne Wade in 03. Yeah, you and me, we got the heat, so bump all that anxiety. But you hit to the side of me, I feel like I'm gliding. And honestly, look, I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't. Trigger happy, you looking by, I might just detonate. Yeah, tell them dudes I can fall back. Kidding and kill, I need all that. Let them call, but don't call back. Let them call, but don't. I don't want you saying that you had a better chance without me. That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell you that I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss,
goes, y'all. Here it is. Guys, this is so good. I'm like super ecstatic, guys. Look at that. So this will be like the junk section, chips, mac and cheese. Down here, the cereal, oatmeal, hot chocolate, cookies, bars, ramen noodle, extra bag of cereal with crackers and Ritz crackers under there. All the cans, this is looking like it's ShopRite itself. But tomato paste, Rotel, Vienna sausages, tuna, condensed milk, what is that? This is icing, this is evaporated milk, this is salad dressing, peanut butter, jelly, spaghetti sauce, chicken broth, hot sauce, extra plates, our quinoa and brown rice that we love so much. We got it from Costco, as well as BJ's actually. We have the soft tacos there. We have pancake, cake mix, hamburger helper, some extra shells there. Put a box of lasagna shells there. Then down here, just have the soda, some Ziploc bags, extra box of cereal, dishwashing liquid, sponges, garbage bags, canola oil, as well as soy sauce. But guys, I am so proud of myself. This is such a good feeling. I just hope that it could stay like this, but for the most part, I'm really gonna enjoy that shelf right there. It's like I know where everything is. It's not in the bags, and then the bags rip, and then the flowers all over the counter and all that good stuff. Like, yeah. Let me spin you around. So yes, I did it. We did it because you watched and encouraged me, and I am happy we did it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to my pantry organization. I really appreciate it. And you can go ahead and subscribe. I'm definitely gonna have more videos like this, knowing that it feels so darn good. There's so much more that I gotta get done. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. I am gonna be doing the kitchen cabinets right now, but I am gonna split this into 2 videos, so stay tuned for that one. But I do appreciate you watching my pantry organization video, and that's my friend, that's my best friend, that's my best friend, that's my best friend, that's my best friend.